Hello everyone, today we will start TestNG framework and we will see what all concepts we have in TestNG. And we will try to run our first test in TestNG framework today. So let's get started. So coming back to our Eclipse, I'll first create a new project. So I am creating a Java project here. So I have given the project name as TestNG Test and I'll click on finish. You can see we have this new project created. Just close this windows which we don't need. Okay, and inside our TestNG project I'll create a package called as first demo. Okay, and we will convert this so inside our first demo package I'll create a class. Let's give the class name as banks. I'm not going to add any main method because for executing TestNG we don't need main method for starting the execution. So I'll just click on finish. Now here we have a class. Okay, we have an empty class. Before that, first what I'll do is I'll convert this project to Maven Project. I'll right click on the project name and then configure and then convert to Maven Project. So once we convert to Maven Project, pom.xml file is created where we can add our dependencies. So now we need to add the dependency for our TestNG. We need to add dependency so that our TestNG, our project recognizes our TestNG test. So for that we need a TestNG. Here we can see pom.xml file is created. We need to add a dependency in pom.xml file. We'll be adding TestNG dependency. For that we need to take that dependency from Maven. Okay, so let's go to MVN repository, and in MVN repository we'll search for TestNG. Here you can see TestNG we are able to get, and we'll take the latest version. If you see we have this dependency here, we'll just copy that and paste it in our pom.xml file. Add dependencies tag, and inside dependencies tag we need to paste our dependency TestNG and save it. Now let's try to check if we are able to write a test here. So I'll first write a method public void, for example HDFC Bank. So I have given a method name of a bank and I am just trying to execute this particular print statement on my output window, and for that I need to add the test annotation. So we are getting an error. We need to just hover on that and add the TestNG library, then again hover on it, and then we need to import the TestNG annotation.test package And now right click, and then let's check if we are able to run this test. Cool, we are able to see the output here. You can see that this is HDFC Bank. Text is being printed on the output window, the text which we have provided in the system.out.print method. And then we are able to see our class name as well. First demo is our package name dot class name dot method name. So we are able to run this test. So what we have done is we have created a project, then we have added a class without main method, and inside that class, inside banks class, we have added a method, and we have added a TestNG annotation, that is @test, and necessary dependencies we have added in our pom.xml file. Pom.xml file is having TestNG dependency, so it is already been added to our project. So in this way we are able to execute our first test method. If required, we can still add one more method here, which will be our test2, and let's give name as SBI Bank, and here we will just update. Now we have two tests, one is HDFC, one is SBI, and we have only one Java class, and inside that Java class we have two tests. Let's run this. Run as TestNG Test. Okay, on console you can see that both the tests have been executed. We are able to see both the text, then we are able to see both the method names which is passed, then total passed, total failures, and total skipped test cases. So in this way we are able to execute our first TestNG test with our new project creation. Thank you all.